Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy, that's the Diesel Technician Man, back with another fun video. Today we're going to be taking apart the head of my ingersoll ran and servicing it with some heavy duty grease. So here you have the hammer screws. These are like torque hammer screws. So you want to remove those. So I'm using like a torque set that I got out of Advanced Auto Part. So I'll just use my Matco to run it out. Run all four of them out quickly. See? And you have one. This one, I don't want to come on. I'm not going to run it down for him. Okay, so you got two. And then you got three. Number three. Keep all those together. Four. Alright, so this will come off. Okay, so take the housing off, and just as I suspected, not a lot of grease. It's just, yeah, so it needs some grease on this thing. So what I'll be using is my grease gun. Okay, this is the w7150 Ingersoll brand. This is how it looks on that side. Okay. So what I'll do is, I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to have to adjust the camera a little something. Okay. The contact points. Here, 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 all around in there. That's where the grease go. You want to get some in there to make sure you're getting the proper amount. Then I will want to come down in here. Just hit all these spots. And now, once you've hit all the spots, what you want to do, take the head, put him back on, like such. Get your bolts, start them out by hand. Yeah, you want to start them out by hand, just to get them started. Let's see if it's okay. Just get it started a little bit. I'm gonna flip it around. Do the same thing on this side. Some bolt in there. Run it down. Come on, this way. See. See, you can see my electric brake don't work no more, but it sounds good. So I'm Dusty Diesel Technician. Y'all know my slogan, subscribe, keep me alive. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps somebody learn how to service. So the head of this Ingersoll ran W7150. Thanks for watching.